Good morning, everybody. We're now on day 3 of our camping trip of 2025, and today we are back in Rendlesham Forest. We did this last year that we came, but we thought we'll bring the gang with us to check out the UFO landing site. They're quite keen to have a look, so we'll do that today. And I think, unlike yesterday, this is a more laid out signposted route, so I don't think we'll be going off trail too much today, but we'll see. You never know. We might just think, oh, where does that pathway go? Let's have a look. Anyway, we had a very windy night last night. It rained just for about half an hour, just after tea time, but a very windy night. Still a bit windy now, but we're shaded, obviously being in the forest, shaded and protected from the wind. A little bit chillier today, but I think by midday supposed to get up in the double figures, so but we'll see. Anyway, we'll carry on and see what we can see today. So here we are at the suspected UFO landing site of the 1980s, and this is a replica of the ship that was reported of landing. I don't know if these were actually made up, whether they just did it for the look. If not, those soldiers that see the ship come down must have got pretty close to have seen markings like that on. Do 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 do. Aliens blink.
I don't like blinking.
So there we have it. The replica of the reported spaceship landing in the 1980s. Who knows the true story of that night? Do you know the...
I couldn't fly back because I couldn't remember where I put my keys.
Ah, see, I always knew you were an alien. Could it be alien blood? Oh, we're still having this lovely little walk through the woodlands there. Still following the trail, so we are not lost yet. Just sat by a lovely little pond and had our snacks. It's a bit of a weird weather day today. It hasn't forecast rain, but we've now had a few little spits. I think we just got like maybe a few rain clouds going over. I think it's only going to be a bit showery. Sun coming in and out. But it's all good. It's all beautiful. Lovely. And end up in the swamp. So we're now past all responsibilities for the walk onto Jacqueline. She said go this way. So if we get lost,
which we will,
it's Jacqueline's fault, not mine, for once. It'll be okay. We don't care if we're going off route, because look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. We'll eventually end up where we should be. We're not totally lost. But I'm loving it. And I know the others are loving it. Robert will tell you that he's not, but we know he is. Beautiful day. The pine and everything's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that.
Yeah.
Gorgeous view. The gorse is out in absolute full colour. Beautiful. Birds are singing. Sun is shining. Absolutely loving it. Lost or not, don't care. You never believe it, but we got back onto the original pathways. So it's just the bit in the middle where we went a little bit, extended it, and such a beautiful way to have a walk extended and to go off course, because that heathland was just heath, yeah.
So heath.
That heath,
Heathland.
that heathland was absolutely gorgeous. And actually would like to see it when all the heather is out as well. But the path that we were following along the heathland again was part of the Sandlings walk. Yeah, so we're actually now coming up to RAF Bentwaters again. I can just see the fencing now. What? You can see the fencing. Oh, right, having fun.
I didn't see anybody fencing.
Oh. Yeah, so we're perhaps only now, I think it's about half an hour or so away from the car park. Well, we say half an hour or so.
It's half an hour walking, 2 hours with Jenny videoing.
Okay, so we're now walking along RAF Bentwaters now, fencing. There is a visitor centre that you can go into. I think they have like some kind of like museum and information centre and whatnot. You still see all the big hangars. There's an absolutely massive site. Massive. And of course, obviously, this was one of the places where the soldiers watched the spaceship come down. Anyway, we'll see if I can. I know I've done this on my previous video, but we'll see if we can get some different shots over the fence. And I think I've got a different camera this time actually. I don't think I had this camera last time, so we'll see anyway. Right, we're about 10 minutes away from the car. So it's been another fantastic day
Of being lost.
of being lost and finding ourselves again.
Still goes all the way up.
Oh yeah.
That's the main runway, right, and all the way down there. So that corridor goes through there,
Yeah.
and they go runs out, taxi up to the top end, and then go right the way down.
Wow. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, just around the corner. Just around the corner, and then we're back to the car. So yes, it's been an absolute glorious day, and we are going to have a cup of tea once we get back to the car, and then head back to the campsite for our last evening. And it looks like it's going to be another good evening. We've been quite lucky with our evenings. It's been like the night time when We've had rain and gale force winds last night, but the actual evenings are quite pleasant. So I think we'll get back and just sit and chill for the rest of the evening. It's been quite a long walk. I don't know exactly how many miles, kilometres we've done, but it's been a fair stretch. I can actually feel it pulling in my leg muscles now. But yeah, so we'll get back to the campsite and then we'll have another chat later.